How to fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. The very first thing you want to try doing is reinstall Roblox and run the Roblox player installer. Head over to Windows Search and then move into Control Panel. Head over to Programs. Uninstall a program. Right-click on Roblox player and then click on Uninstall. Now run the Roblox installer twice. Run it another time after the first time. Press the Windows plus R key or search for run using Windows Search. You have to type %local app data % and press enter. Now what you want to do is run the Roblox player launcher application. Now the next thing you want to try doing is uninstall the Roblox and install it from the Microsoft Store. Head over to Windows Search, move into Control Panel and then head over to Programs. Right-click the Roblox player and then uninstall. Open the Microsoft Store and in the source bar, search for Roblox. Click on Get to install it. Once it has been installed, launch the Roblox and then try launching an experience. It should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.